Here I have HONOR X7A, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button. Okay, so you can't find this button here, unfortunately, but you can always go to settings, then go to the sounds and vibrations section, and here you can find Do Not Disturb. For example, you can switch this mode here, you can set up a schedule for it, select start time, end time, and also days on which it will repeat. You can also allow interruptions. It could be calls from anyone, from contacts only, from favorite contacts only, or from nobody. The same goes for messages, and there's also an option repeated calls, which works the way that when it's enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.